So let's go ahead and create a new folder, and we're gonna, create our, work environment. We need a workspace, and we need a certain code organization, which just means that, Go code must be kept inside a workspace. A workspace is directory hierarchy with 3 directories at its root. So we're just gonna create that. We need a folder with source, package, and bin folders in it. So I'm gonna go over to the Finder, and I have it right here, but I'm gonna do this from the get-go with you. I'm gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna call this Go code. I don't know. I'm not very creative. Go code 2. There we go. And then inside Go code, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it source. And then inside that once more, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it package. And then inside that once more, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it bin. And there we go. I got my bin, I got my package, and I got my source. And so that's the first thing that we want to do, when we're setting up our workspace, is we want to have those 3 folders. So the next thing, let's kind of take a moment and just look at this code right here. And we have the bin where we have executable, and we have an executable here. We have hello and out yet, our executables. And then we have our source folder. And here in the source folder, you'll notice that, hey, we just go straight to there's the git, and then there's the hello folder, and then there's the out yet folder, and then there's the string util folder. So dang it, I went and I lost that first page of install Go. So just one second, and let me bring it back up. I thought I wasn't going to need it anymore. And here we go. So down at the bottom, right, how to write Go code. Oh, it's not even on that page. It's right here. So here's the screencast, right? Like this screencast, if you watch that, the guy in there is going to have you create this crazy folder structure, which I created up here with reverse domain stuff, and you could go through that and watch that, just kind of hear him talking through why. But let's try this, just creating like a hello folder right there. And so we'll try that first of all. So in source, I'm just going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call that hello. And now I'm ready to create a hello program inside that folder. But one thing I want to point out before I create that hello program inside that folder, just like here, right? I have source, and then I have hello, and then I have hello go inside that folder. I want to point out that we have the string util folder right here. And that string util folder actually turned in to string util A right here. So I don't know if that's just something that happens automatically. I'm just going to leave that as a question for you right now. If I have a folder here and it's a package, when I turn it into a package, does it then just automatically become a package with the name of the same folder? I'll leave that as a question right now, but that's just something to sort of notice, right? That's kind of interesting. And then hello go, we see turned into an executable right there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I want to create a hello go program in this folder and then see if it runs. And so we'll do that in the next video, but this first one here was just to get our folder structure set up and to understand this diagram right here a little bit more.